With your garage apartment open, let's go to component. Then we're going to go to load family. We're going to go to mechanical, architectural, airside components, furnaces, and then we're going to select the furnace. And then with the furnace selected, we want to just drop it right here in this closet. Okay, that's going to kind of represent the interior HVAC system, the furnace, the air conditioning system, the blower, all that. That's going to be all of our internal components. Then we're going to go back to components, back to load family. In the little look-in window here, we're going to go back up to US Imperial. Then we're going to go to plumbing, architectural, equipment, water heaters. And then once the image pops up, we're just going to drop it right here in the closet. You want to make sure that you have enough clearance right here that the door opens. You may have to adjust this either way, or maybe move the door just a little bit, but that door should clear and leave enough room for that water heater. So that's your mechanical space. Now let's look at the closet. So we're going to go back to components. This time the component we need is loaded. So we're going to go to the C's, and we want to pick closet, shelf and pole, 15-inch deep. And we're going to change this tool down here to place on work plane. And then all we're going to do is come to this corner and we're going to sketch and do here to here, and that puts in our shelf and pole for our closet. Now if when you go to draw it puts it on the other side, then just stop, come back, go this way. So the direction determines, sometimes it may get a little wonky. You just have to play with it until it works. So let's go to the 3D view, and here you can kind of see the shelf and the pole right here. And then if we go here, you can see the HVAC unit and the water heater. Okay, obviously there's no ducting, but at least it gives us an indication of kind of space usage. We're going to go back to the first floor. We're going to go to the bedroom right here, go to component, and these the first one should be loaded, so we're going to go to the B's, and let's just do a double bed, and we're going to rotate the bed and set it here. Okay, and then we need a dresser, so we're going to go to load family, go here, change this back to US Imperial, go to furniture, and then under furniture you'll see you have beds, seating, storage, and tables. So we're going to go to storage, and we're going to load the dresser, and then we want to select the 48 by 60, and we're going to rotate this. I believe that's the correct direction. And we're going to put that there, and then we may have to move the bed just a little bit. Okay, so that gives us a dresser in the room. And you could flip the bed and the dresser. I mean, there's nothing that says that's how they have to go. This is just to kind of give you an idea of how to bring in objects and components. So we could flip those just a little bit. Okay. All right, and then the last one for this video is we're going to do the bathroom real quick. We'll do the kitchen as a separate video. So I'm going to go to component, go to the properties, and I'm going to go to the T's and find tub, rectangular 3D. Now the tub works kind of interesting. You'll see that when you bring the cursor out here, it kind of has a little don't smoke symbol. I guess that'd be what you call it. And then it doesn't pop up until you touch a wall. So we want to touch this wall right here, and it should just fit between those two walls. So that's our tub. To do the toilet, we basically just go right back to the components, right back to the properties window, select domestic toilet 3D, and we're going to flip it, rotate it, with the space key, and we'll drop it for right now right there. Okay, so that gives us a toilet, that gives us a bathtub. Now we need some vanity cabinets. So we're going to go to components, back to properties, and we're going to look for V's, and we should have a vanity cabinet double door sink unit. Let's pick the 36. We'll rotate it and put it in this corner. And then if we're going to have a vanity, we need a cabinet, we need a countertop for it. So we're going to go to component. And just note that vanity countertops and regular kitchen base cabinet countertops are at different heights, so make sure you're using the right one. Don't use base cabinets in the bathroom. Those are vanities. A base cabinet is actually taller than a vanity cabinet. So we're going to go to vanity cabinet, vanity countertop with round sink holes, 24. Bring it in, rotate it with the space bar, place it. And then what we want to do is we want to center the hole in the cabinet, and then we want to use the arrow keys so that that's just touching the back wall, just like we did with our kitchen cabinets. And then we're going to use the arrows to bring it in so it just sticks out the end over there, and bring this arrow up so it touches the wall. And then if we go to the 3D with a little rotation, you can see what we've set up. So we have a toilet, we have a tub, and we have a cabinet and a countertop. And yes, I do realize that there is a window in the sink, a window in the bathroom. That's actually kind of typical. If we were spending a little bit more time on this, we would adjust the height of this so that it was at about 5 feet, 6 feet tall. And typically the window would be glassed, would have not a translucent, but it would have a coating that would allow you not to see inside of it. But it also serves as a fire route, an emergency evacuation route in case of a fire. For skinny people. All right, let's go back to the first floor, and there you go. So that's we've done the mechanical room, the closet, the bedroom, and the bathroom. We will do the kitchen in the next video.